Btrst current cost is $2.07. Braintrust can go as high as $4.65. In 1 year, Braintrust will be valued at $15.26 in 5 years. Btrst will be valued at $114.32 in 10 years. In this video we will walk you through most recent Braintrust, Btrst, value prediction for 2022, 2025, and then some. We have you covered. We will cover everything from how Btrst is unique in relation to different monetary standards in handling the majority of the local blockchain troubles to the Braintrust cost projections for the following decade up to the current day. Yet, prior to plunging into the Btrst cost conjecture and examining numbers that could get you exhausted for not a glaringly obvious explanation by any stretch of the imagination, let us discuss the set of experiences and a fundamental outline of Braintrust on the lookout and the way things are assisting the blockchain with tending to its difficulties. We will attempt to respond to these, much of the time clarified some pressing issues. Is Braintrust, Btrst, a wise speculation? How much will Braintrust be worth in 2025, or how much will Braintrust be worth in 10 years? Braintrust presently remains at $2.07 United States dollars, with a market capitalization of $188,604,390, making it rank 134 in the most important coins list. Btrst has a 24-hour volume of $1,986,291, as indicated by Crypto Vault Price Index. The value worth of Braintrust has changed 3.31% in the past 24 hours. In most recent 7 days, the cost of Btrst has a difference in 18.48%. It is restricted to a greatest inventory of 91,202,861 coins. Braintrust Price Prediction 2022. Apparently by 2022 Braintrust Btrst costs will have arrived at a level like their past all-time high. By 2022, we might expect a typical cost of $3.23. In the case of everything goes without a hitch, we anticipated the greatest cost of Braintrust could depend on $3.62 in 2022. Obviously, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is typical for digital money market. Braintrust Price Prediction 2023. Braintrust present value reach could intrigue numerous merchants, and along these lines, Btrst can reach $5.49 by 2023, with significant collaboration with monetary organizations, assuming that the accompanying necessities are satisfied. With a typical cost of $4.65 for 2023, it can beat the most recent value pattern to arrive at new highs. The value slogan can fluctuate as the crypto market can see one more bullish pattern while heading to 2023. Btrst, Price Prediction 2024. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age. Sure that the drawn-out cost expectation at Btrst's cost will take off, since there is still good faith that the money will draw in considerably more consideration. The year 2024 can end with a typical cost of $6. Considering that it is normal to be held by long-haul financial backers, its typical cost for 2027 will be around $22.39. Btrst, Price Prediction 2028. Btrst will be viewed as a superior choice, and with the gigantic local area, Braintrust cost will contact new highs. The value changes are difficult to foresee, particularly assuming that the market is more bullish or negative than any other time. For the year 2028, the cost of Braintrust will be nearly $32.60. The most extreme value that we can get is $37.67. Braintrust normal cost estimate toward the finish of 2028 can be around $33.50. A gigantic value turnover is normal inside the reach characterized by the crypto market. Braintrust Price Prediction 2029. In 2029, with more reception and associations between other significant blockchain networks, the cost of Braintrust would soar. The most extreme exchanging cost might reach $56.14 in 2029. The cost ranges will be extremely in vogue assuming we keep it that way. In the case of everything works out positively, we can expect a typical cost of $50.60, with a greatest cost of $56.14 for 2029 Btrst price prediction 2030. For long-haul Braintrust cost expectations, fundamental investigation is fundamental. As far as industry benefits, the local symbolic offers a couple. The computerized economy's independence makes it ideal. As dApps and stablecoins create, the organization offers cutthroat programmable installment, operations, and capacity choices. Quite possibly the normal cost of Btrst will ascend to about $76.42 by 2030, on the off chance that more financial backers are drawn to the idea. For 2030. The year can end with a most extreme cost of $86.22, with a base value level of $74.40. Braintrust price prediction 2031. Btrst have tremendous potential, with specific joint efforts, and developments might build the quantity of clients and adoption. Assuming that the market focuses on putting resources into Braintrust, the cost could ascend a lot higher. By 2031, it can arrive at a greatest worth of $129.80. It is normal that the Btrst will pivot a smidgen on the off chance that the market goes down. The year 2031 can end with a typical cost of $114.32, with a base cost of $110.50, and the most extreme cost of $129.80. Is Braintrust a good investment? Numerous specialists and merchants accept that Braintrust has been an extraordinary speculation for quite a while. Shockingly, the worth is expanding. Consequently, it is ensured that the venture will yield a decent return. The amount will Braintrust be worth in 2025? Numerous stages and experts feel that the cost of Braintrust will keep on filling in the following 5 years, outperforming the $15.26 mark toward the finish of 2025. Despite the fact that the cost appears as though a stretch, who knows? Btrst and other cryptocurrencies are extremely unpredictable and can head in a different path whenever. The amount will Braintrust be worth in 10 years? There is an impressively higher possibility that the cost of Braintrust will increment to $114.32 in decade. The value of one Braintrust can outperform a base cost of $110.50 and most extreme cost of $129.80 inside next 8 to 10 years. There is no relationship between the ongoing worth of the Braintrust and its future cost. Notwithstanding, it relies upon the components that arise during the market's development and advancement stage. Those are the factors that decide a Btrst's future.